Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now we have IOL. Actually, we have intraocular lens related complications of the cataract surgery. Because of the intraocular lens, it can result in UGH syndrome. That is, the patient can develop uveitis. Glaucoma can occur in the patient, and the patient can also develop hyphema. So we have uveitis, glaucoma, and hyphema syndrome is available in the can occur in intraocular lens related complications after cataract surgery. Sometimes the intraocular lens which is put in the posterior capsule might displace, resulting in malpositions of intraocular lens. Sometimes there can be some anaphylactic reactions or some toxic reactions, resulting in anterior segment syndrome can be seen in the patient.
thank you and thank you for watching.